Hey angels, let us create a bustier top. I am going to use my previously drafted bodice block to draft this tube style bustier top pattern. On the back bodice, I went 0.5 centimeters below the arm sky line on the side seam to create a marking for the tube style curve. With the curve, I then joined my 0.5 centimeter marking to the center back. On the front bodice, I went up 9 centimeters on my bust dot and down 7.5 centimeters in my waist dot that is joined on the bust dot. This is to create the cup shaping for your bust area. With the curve, I then joined my new dot markings on their located sides. I did the same for the bottom dots around the bust areas of the front bodice. I then cut out my pattern following the new design lines. I am going to use the leftover fabric from my coming of age dress to make the bustier top. After all that German party, it was time to get sewing. I started by joining the inner lining for the cups on the dots, making sure to align the notches. Now that our cups are joined, it is time to sew together the inner facing and the top fabric layer. And then I joined all my pieces. Okay guys, the bodice top is done. This is the front and this is the back. Okay, as for my accessories, I have these super cool earrings from Mr. Price. And my rings are Chanel dupes. As for the shoes, they're from the Fix. One thing about me, I love the shoe with the big sole. So these are pretty cool. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, please leave a comment down below on what you think about this bonus topic. Thank you. Bye.